What kind of stacker are you? Whether you're stacking gold or whether you're stacking silver or whether you're stacking other precious metals out there. If you're new to stacking, you have to know this question, because if you know yourself, you'll be able to stay in line with yourself to make sure you don't overdo it or make a mistake in the future, especially when buying precious metals like gold and silver. And if you're an experienced stacker, there's tons of you guys that probably don't know what kind of stacker you are and probably made tons of mistakes just because you don't understand yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching another video of Urban Lifestyle, where our goal is to help you guys create a better life. And you guys can also help out by leaving a subscribe, leaving a comment, leaving a thumbs up. Find me on my social media, Urban Lifestyle 1989, and don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys can get future notifications of my future videos. Let's go. Alright, so question of the day. What type of stacker are you? Comment down below, let me know. So the type of stackers that I have on here is the prepper, the collector, the waiter, the saver, and the profiter. Obviously, these are not just words you can find in your regular dictionary. These are words that I made up, but it makes sense. Just come on, stick with me. Watch this video. So the prepper. These are the type that like to prepare just in case stuff hits the fan. Well, it's the end of the world. I done stack my food, I done stack my beans, and most importantly, I done stack my ammo. Anybody want some? Come and get some. Hey Billy, it done happened again. We gonna need to perform some surgery. These are the type that don't just stack precious metals. They stack food, they stack ammo, and stack every other necessities that they need to survive. Now for the collector. I done got my American Silver Eagle right here. It's quite a beauty, ain't it?
Yeah, it's a beauty. Do you want some round too?
Man, get your sorry looking ass out of here. Nobody care about no regular rounds. It's all about numismatics value, man. Something that holds value. Government minted coins. Numismatics, that's what I'm talking about. That's all I do over here, I tell you. These are the type that really don't care about the premium. They just care about the value that the metal holds, such as government minted coins. Something that holds value and widely known, and they like to collect them. Most of the metals that has numismatic value to them. They'll collect any rare metals out there, and some of them will even pay thousands of dollars just for silver. Granted, the silver being very special. Now for the waiter. I done got all my Vibranium minted coins. It's very heavy. It's all rounds. I know I said coins, but it's all rounds. Can you help me out?
Are you freezing?
I never freeze. These are the type that is opposite of the collector. All they care about is the metal value. And these are the type that actually cares about the premiums as well. They want to get it as low as possible. They want to buy low and sell high. And the lower that they can get the price, the better off they are for it. And all they want to do is get as much as possible. If it's up to them, they would want to have thousands of ounces in a safe somewhere. Next, we have the saver. You know what? I done saved over $1,000 today. But I need to do something very important to it, because we all know the government can't take care of us. We all know that the fiat currency ain't gonna last that long. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna invest my money into gold and silver. That's right, guys. That's right, gold and silver. Because that's the true way of saving money. We all know that fiat currency crashes at some point in time. All of them did. I got my true form of money in silver and gold. Those are the type that really don't trust the fiat currency. They feel like they're losing their value if they hold their money in fiat currency. So they decide every fiat currency they have, and to help them save, is to take that fiat currency and put it into silver so it can hold its value throughout the test of time. They really don't like to hold cash on them, but of course they have to so they can live their day-to-day lives. But if everything is taken care of, they're going to store it into precious metals. And last but definitely not least, the profiter. Oh man, that's a beautiful coin right there, man. How much you want for it?
$14.
Oh my gosh, $14 for this? No, nobody's gonna get it from you for this, man. I mean, come on, man. You gotta give it to me at a good price. Let me tell you something. I give you $10 for this and 50 more of your coins, all right? What you say about that?
I guess.
All right, fine. Here you go. Here you go. Here's the money right there. Let me give me that box of coins, all right? Hey, listen. I got this beautiful coin right here. I got it for a good price, all right? But I'll sell it to you for $10,000 or just one coin right here. And you looking at it, this is gonna be very good in the near future, okay? This is gonna be very good in the near future. You gonna give me $10,000 for it? All right, cool. Now I do got some more. I got for around $5,000 now. You know, I can give it to you for a fair price too. But since if you buy it in a bulk, I'll take it from $10,000. I'll bring it down for you for, let's see, how much do you think $1 million is worth, huh?
$1 million?
Yeah, $1 million. Yeah, just give me $1 million and I'll give it to you all right?
All right.
I appreciate it. Thank you. Here you go. Those are the people that's there to buy the silver and flip it and make a profit from it. They'll tend to buy at or below spot just so they can add their own premiums and make a profit from it. And most of these are short-term people. They don't care about the silver, they just care about the supply and demand. If people want silver, hey, they want to buy it at a fair price, cheaper price, so they can sell it to them at a premium price. Now, I'm not saying if you're a prepper, you can't be a profiter as well, or you can't be a saver if you're a collector. So the best thing to do is figure out all of these and see which one best fits your personality. There's nothing wrong with any of these. If you're going to be purchasing precious metals in the near future, you want to have a guideline to know yourself to actually see, hey, which better suits you and your life. But comment down below. Let me know what kind of stacker you are. And you could be a type of stacker that's not even on here. So make sure you comment down below what kind of stacker you may believe to be. But thank you so much for watching. That's all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave a thumbs up, and comment down below, and have a wonderful day.